It's your boy Your Cash back with another video.
Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
I started an Amazon affiliate business in 24 hours on YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all how to start your online business with Amazon as fast as possible. When trying to be an Amazon associate, there are a couple rules that you gotta follow in order to be an Amazon associate. The reason I chose to be an Amazon associate in 2026 is because I feel like a lot of people are moving to the online market, and I think that this is an opportunity for a lot of small content creators to make potential money. Now I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide on how I created this business. Like I said, I'll only start doing this a couple of days ago. In today's video, I'm just gonna show y'all how to set up your Amazon associate account and what you guys need to expect while doing this on YouTube. Let's get straight into the video. Let's go. The first thing first, what you want to do is set up an account with Amazon. So you basically want to sign up. If you already have an account, you just enter in your information. Once you create your Amazon associate account, what you want to do is link all the social medias, and they will ask you to put a website. I know a lot of people get stuck on this website right here. If you don't right now have a website, you could just link a social media account. For instance, YouTube. So especially if you're doing this for YouTube, just put YouTube right here. But as you can see, this is your dashboard right here. You can see your commission, your bounties, and your clicks. So right here, just by promoting my video one day on YouTube, obviously I have 15 clicks. I haven't had any buyers yet, but as you do know, once somebody clicks your link and within that 24 hours and somebody buys something from your link, then essentially you will get paid. Even if they don't buy the product you were promoting, you will get paid, y'all. Now it's time to move on to the YouTube portion. I'll be showing you guys how to set up your links for YouTube so that you won't affect the YouTube or the Amazon policy. You would just be able to insert your links on the videos, and so that you can start earning money from Amazon associates. Let's get right into it. On to the part where we set up the links and stuff. So basically this is very simple. It's very easy. All you do is gotta basically watch how I do this and basically word everything the way I word it, and then you will be okay. Now it's really simple. All you do is gotta follow my lead right here. So basically for the description part, all you gotta do is put, as an Amazon associate, I earn from the qualifying purchases, and this came straight from the Amazon associate webpage. So as long as you have this in your description, and as for YouTube policies, you might want to put ad right here just to tell YouTube this is an advertisement. And you got to just let people know that anybody that clicks on this link, you will make commission from it, from the YouTube channel. Okay, that's basically all you got to do. And basically what you want to do is link everything that you want to link here, and make sure you name the products and everything, and basically, you know, tell the audience what the products do and stuff like that. You can add that too. I didn't, but you definitely can add it. If you want to be safer, I would add what the products do and stuff like that. But it's really simple. That's all you really have to do. And if you want to put it in a video like I did right here, all you have to do is let the audience know that you will be making commission off the items listed below. On Amazon, y'all, I got a few links, and as you can see, during the video I also put the little quote right here. I said, as an Amazon associate, I will be earning from the qualifying purchases. And so basically that's what you have to do. Another thing, if you are using pictures of the Amazon product in the video, it has to come straight directly from Amazon. The pictures have to come directly from Amazon. You can't have the pictures from somewhere else, or you got to show the legit item inside the video. Okay, that's what you have to do. And this is basically following all the Amazon policies. This is make sure that you keep your account, and so your account don't get deactivated or nothing like that for misusing policies or not following the policies or whatever. So yeah, basically that's all you got to do. It's real simple. Let me know in the comment section down below how I can help y'all in further videos. Let me know in the comment section down below if this tutorial helped y'all. And this is an easy way to actually make some income but not actually being monetized on YouTube. So if you're not monetized, I would say, like, okay, try something like this so you can earn some money, man. But anyway, it's been Cash. I'm out. Deuces.